Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin right now. Equip your chosen gun and lock sensitivity so muscle memory builds. Adjust crosshair and minimal HUD to reduce distractions. Make sure audio cues are crisp, since sound tells you when to strike. Warm up for 5 minutes with quick flicks and short strafes to prime your timing. Once done, test one predictable scenario, single target, consistent distance, and practice the exact recoil control pattern. This first step builds the foundation you will use for every subsequent shot. Now you drill recoil and rhythm. You must know vertical and horizontal pull for each gun and adapt burst length to distance. Practice one pattern until you can predict where bullets land, then execute 1 3-round bursts close, 4 6 at mid, and single taps at far. Combine counter-strafe and crouch step techniques to maintain accuracy while moving. Make sure to reset your aim briefly between bursts so your next shot lines up. This disciplined middle phase is where consistency becomes reliable. You close the duel by forcing a clean engagement. Take optimal angle, use a subtle feint or utility to bait the peak, then punish instantly with the practiced burst or tap pattern. Prioritize vertical recoil control and aim placement over volume. One precise thunderbolt matters more than spray. If it fails, pause and inspect 3 things: sensitivity drift, crosshair alignment at chest level, and your recoil timing. Retrain with slow repetition. Adjust those elements, repeat the final sequence, and secure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.